Hello, kids! Today we are going to read up Family CBC words and sentences. Are you ready? Let's start. Words. K, up, cup, cup. G, up, gap, gap. Y, up, yap, yap. M, up, map, map. Up, tap, tap. N, up, nap, nap. L, up, lap, lap. Er, up, rap, rap. J, up, jap, jap. Let us read sentences. Yap is in the rap. Yap is in the rap. He rap on lap. He rap on lap. Lap of jap. Lap of jap. Jap has cup on lap. Jap has cup on lap. Cup of jap. Cup of jap. Tap the lap. Tap the lap. Let us read together. Yap is in the rap. He rap on lap. Lap of jap. Jap has cup on lap. Yap nap on lap. Jap has a cup. Cup of jap. Tap the lap. Now it's your turn to read. Hello, kids! Today we are going to read Add Family CVC Words and Sentences. Words. B. Add. Bad. Bad. M. Add. Mad. Mad. H. Add. Had. Had. Add. Pad. Pad. Add. Tad. Tad. N. Add. Nad. Nad. S. Add. Sad. Sad. D. Add. Dad. Dad. L. Add. Lad. Lad. Now we will read sentences. My dad in the cab. My dad in the cab. Dad has a pad. Dad has a pad. My dad is bad. My dad is bad. He had a pad. He had a pad. Lad had a dad. Lad had a dad. He is a sad dad. He is a sad dad. The mud is my dad. The mud is my dad. Pad of my dad. Pad of my dad. Now we will read together. My dad in the cab. He is a sad dad. Dad has a pad. My dad is bad. He had a pad. Lad had a dad. The mud is my dad. Pad of my dad. Now it's your turn to read. Good job, kids!